From emergency roadside tools to smart everyday upgrades, these Amazon finds are all about making driving easier, safer, and more comfortable. Whether you're fixing, charging, cleaning, or customizing your ride, each gadget brings real convenience to your routine. Let's explore the tools that can upgrade your car experience instantly. All products links in the description section below. There's something reassuring about knowing you're always prepared, whether you're heading out on a long drive or just running errands around town. A portable tire inflator like this fits effortlessly into your routine, quick to use, easy to store, and reliable when you need it most. No more waiting at gas stations or dealing with unexpected low-pressure surprises. It's one of those simple tools that quietly makes life smoother, giving you a bit more control and confidence on the road. Honestly, once it's in your trunk, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Whether you're fixing something under the hood, setting up camp after sunset, or just need better visibility in tight spaces, having reliable lighting makes all the difference. These LED work lights slip easily into your daily routine, giving you bright, adjustable illumination exactly where you need it hands-free. From quick home fixes to late-night outdoor tasks, they're built to keep up without any hassle. It's the kind of simple upgrade that saves time, reduces stress, and makes every task feel a little easier, definitely worth keeping within reach. Long drives don't have to mean stiff necks and constant readjusting. With a simple upgrade like this car neck pillow, every trip feels a bit more relaxed and supportive. It naturally fits into your daily commute or road trips, helping you maintain better posture without even thinking about it. Whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising for hours, that extra layer of comfort can make a real difference. It's one of those small additions that quietly improves your driving experience, something you'll appreciate more every time you get behind the wheel. Staying powered up on the road can make all the difference, especially when your devices are part of your daily routine. A compact car power inverter like this brings that extra level of convenience, letting you charge everything from your phone to your laptop without missing a beat. Whether you're working on the go, navigating long trips, or just keeping everyone's devices alive, it fits seamlessly into your drive. It's one of those practical additions that quickly becomes essential. Once you have it, you'll find yourself relying on it more than you expected. Sometimes it's the little things that make your setup feel complete, and having extra reach for your power source is one of them. Whether you're organizing your car, powering devices in the back seat, or setting up gear for a trip, this extension cord adds that much-needed flexibility. It slips right into everyday use, solving those just out-of-reach moments without any hassle. Simple, reliable, and surprisingly useful. It's the kind of add-on you don't think about at first, but once you have it, it quickly becomes part of your go-to essentials. Keeping your car organized doesn't have to be complicated, especially when small upgrades can make a big difference. A cup holder expander like this adds extra space right where you need it, making room for larger bottles or even a second drink without the usual juggling. It fits naturally into your daily drives, road trips, or quick errands, helping everything stay within easy reach. It's one of those simple additions that brings a bit more comfort and convenience to your routine, something you'll appreciate every time you're on the move. Keeping your car looking clean doesn't have to take extra time or effort. With a simple tool like this silicone water blade, drying your car becomes quick, smooth, and surprisingly satisfying. It fits perfectly into your routine after a wash, helping you avoid streaks and water spots without the usual hassle. Whether you're doing a full clean or just a quick touch-up, it gets the job done in seconds. It's one of those small upgrades that makes the whole process feel easier, and once you try it, it's hard to go back. Sometimes the easiest way to keep things looking fresh is with tools that do the hard work for you. These cleaning pads fit effortlessly into your routine, tackling stubborn marks and everyday messes with just a bit of water. From your car interior to surfaces around your home, they make quick cleanups feel almost effortless. It's that simple grab-and-use convenience that saves time without sacrificing results. Once you get used to having them nearby, you'll likely reach for one more often than you'd expect. It just makes cleaning that much easier. Handling heavy or delicate items doesn't have to feel like a risky task anymore. With a sturdy suction cup lifter like this, moving glass, tiles, or even car parts becomes far more controlled and manageable. It's the kind of tool that quietly boosts your confidence during DIY projects or quick fixes, giving you a secure grip exactly when you need it. Whether you're working at home or tackling small upgrades, it fits right into your routine. Once you try it, you'll appreciate how much easier and safer lifting can actually be. Managing a vehicle in tight spaces or a busy garage can be more challenging than it looks, but the right tool makes all the difference. A car-moving dolly like this takes the stress out of repositioning, giving you smooth control without heavy lifting or awkward maneuvering. Whether you're organizing your workspace or working on a project car, it naturally fits into your routine and saves both time and effort. It's one of those upgrades that instantly changes how you work once you use it. You'll wonder why you didn't have it sooner. Electrical issues can feel frustrating, especially when the problem isn't easy to spot. That's where a circuit tracer like this quietly becomes a game changer, helping you pinpoint faults without tearing everything apart. Whether you're troubleshooting your car, working on a project, or handling quick repairs, it brings clarity and saves time. It naturally fits into any DIY or maintenance routine, turning guesswork into something far more precise. Once you've used a tool like this, you'll likely reach for it anytime wiring problems come up. It just makes the process smoother. Running out of battery while you're on the move is never ideal, especially when you rely on your devices for navigation, music, or staying connected. A fast car charger like this keeps everything powered without slowing you down, fitting seamlessly into your daily drive. Whether it's a quick trip or a long journey, it makes charging multiple devices simple and stress-free. It's one of those everyday essentials that quickly becomes part of your routine. Once you have reliable power on hand, you won't want to drive without it. Fixing, customizing, or even upgrading everyday items becomes a lot easier when you've got something this versatile on hand. A moldable silicone glue like this blends right into your routine, whether you're handling quick repairs or getting creative with DIY projects. It's simple to use, adapts to different surfaces, and holds up in all kinds of conditions. From small fixes in your car to tweaks around the house, it's one of those tools that quietly solves problems before they get bigger. Once you try it, you'll keep finding new ways to use it. For those who enjoy getting a bit more performance and personality out of their ride, small upgrades can make a noticeable difference. A cold air intake kit like this brings that balance of function and style, helping your engine breathe better while adding a sportier feel to your drive. It naturally fits into weekend projects or tuning sessions, giving you a hands-on way to enhance your car's performance. It's one of those upgrades that feels rewarding the moment it's installed. Definitely something worth exploring if you like improving how your car drives. Getting creative with your projects becomes a whole lot more exciting when you have the right tools to bring your ideas to life. An airbrush set like this fits perfectly into DIY routines, whether you're customizing car parts, working on crafts, or adding unique touches to your designs. It's easy to pick up and versatile enough to grow with your skills, making every project feel more personal. From small details to bigger transformations, it opens up new possibilities, and once you start using it, you'll keep finding new ways to get creative. Tackling repairs and custom projects becomes far more manageable when you have a tool built for precision and control. A hot air welder like this fits right into hands-on work, whether you're fixing cracked plastic parts or working on detailed upgrades. It gives you the flexibility to handle different materials without overcomplicating the process, making each task feel more efficient. From quick fixes to more involved projects, it's a reliable addition to your toolkit, and once you start using it, you'll appreciate how much more you can confidently take on. Dealing with a flat tire or quick wheel fix doesn't have to be a struggle, especially when you've got the right tool within reach. A telescoping lug wrench like this makes the process smoother, giving you extra leverage and control when you need it most. It fits naturally into your car essentials, ready for both everyday use and unexpected moments on the road. Whether you're at home or stuck roadside, it helps you handle the situation with less stress. It's one of those practical tools you'll be glad you packed. Sometimes it's the smallest accessories that make the biggest difference in your daily drive. A compact car charger adapter like this keeps your devices powered without cluttering your space, blending seamlessly into your setup. Whether you're heading out for a quick trip or a long journey, it ensures you stay connected without any extra hassle. It's easy to use, reliable, and always ready when you need it. Once it's plugged in, it becomes one of those simple essentials you'll rely on every single day. Which of these car gadgets would you actually add to your setup first, and why that one over the rest? Remember to subscribe for more amazing car tech and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.